How do your employees feel about their benefits plan? I was speaking with this gentleman who had retired after 30 years with the local union. He walked up knowing that I worked on benefit plans and said, "I've got a story for you." Now, unfortunately, his wife was diagnosed with breast cancer and she had to have a mastectomy. The procedure was a success, but of course, she was going to have to be on medication. So a nurse came in and set down 2 bottles of pills and a piece of paper. As the nurse began explaining the medications and the procedures, the couple's adult son picked up the piece of paper and asked the nurse, "Is this the bill?" The nurse nodded, so the son looked down, then looked at his mom laying in the hospital bed, looked at his dad and said, "Dad, I've got this one." Well, the man was old school, and though appreciative, said, "No, no, no, son, I can't let you." The son interrupted, "No, Dad, after all the two of you have done for me, it's time you let me help you out." So the son reached into his pocket and he pulled out a quarter and handed it to the nurse. The nurse looks down, smiles, looks back at the son and says, "I'm sorry, I don't have change." After sharing this story, the old man looked up at me with a daring smile and said, "Can you beat that one?" Stories like these show the profound impact a well-crafted healthcare plan can have on employees' lives. And as an employer, you hold the key to shaping them. Imagine your employees not just seeing their health coverage as a benefit, but as a lifeline during challenging times. Your stories become a testament to the human side of employee benefits. Stories your employees and their families carry with them long after they leave your company. A healthcare plan that goes the extra mile doesn't just affect the individual directly, but it ripples through the entire workplace and then the community. Then it becomes a narrative of compassion, loyalty, and gratitude. To me, the best part is this isn't just an altruistic endeavor. It's a strategic move that can yield massive financial dividends. You're thinking, "This sounds great, but we can't afford this sort of coverage." The surprising truth is, the costs associated with this strategy are probably less than your current spend. At this point, you either want to hear more about how we can accomplish this, or you want to tell me that I'm crazy. Either way, send me a message and I'll be in touch to schedule a call. And be good.